Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate append predefined method in Java. So let's get started. Append predefined method belongs to both the classes, that is StringBuilder and StringBuffer classes. In this session, I'll take only one as an example. Let's take a string builder class I'll take. Okay, whether you take string builder class or string buffer class, both are same guys. Okay, so one works in single threaded environment, other works in multi-threaded. So we'll take string builder going ahead. So append predefined method belongs to the string builder and string buffer class in Java. So how this append predefined method works? It will append the text to an existing text. For example, using the string builder, if you create a string to that particular string, you can append the extra string. Okay, append the string to the existing string. How to do that? I'm going to demonstrate this practically. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as some random name with main method. And here, I'm going to create the string with the help of string builder or string buffer. I'll be using string builder as I mentioned. String builder SB is equal to new string builder. Like this, I'll create an object for string builder class, and in the constructor, I'll just say hello. Okay. Or I can give one more thing, that is Arun. Arun. I'll just give Arun here. Okay. My name, my first name I'm giving. Now, if I print it out, system.out.println, if I print this SB, what will be printed? This Arun text will be printed. The string which got created with help of the string builder will get printed here. Arun got printed. Now after this, if I write SB dot append, okay, SB using the object reference of string builder, I'm calling this append method where I can append different type of things. A lot of overloaded methods are there. I'll just choose a string variation right now. I'll append the space motorial give. Okay, one space along with that motorial give. So to this Arun, this space motori should be appended. Fine. Now let me print the original string. Okay, original string. Let me print system.out.println. And if I print SB, what is happening? Arun is getting appended with this space motori, and SB will become Arun space motori. My first name space, last name it will become. Run this code. You see here earlier Arun was there. Arun got appended with space motori. Now final output is Arun space motori. This is how we can use append, guys. It will append the text with the existing text. The append predefined method of the string builder and string buffer, string builder and string buffer classes. Okay, the purpose of this predefined method is to append the text to an existing, okay, append the string to an existing one. Append the string to an existing string like this. Okay, so here it's a mutable thing, as I already covered in the previous session. All these predefined methods which belong to the string builder and string buffer class deal with the mutable things, and they work in a mutable nature. There they will update the, for example, in this case, what is happening earlier when I created this string builder SB is equal to new string builder Arun. Here in the computer memory, guys, some memory got allocated for newly created object, which got created with the string builder class. In this example, object one, some memory got allocated here. And here in that, what got stored? Arun got stored. Arun got stored. Like this, Arun got stored earlier. Now, after I say sb.append of space motori here, so the same things, it's not creating a new object. Okay, it's not creating a new object. The same string text, that is the same string text. Earlier it was what? Arun, right? It was Arun. Arun got appended with the extra thing motori. Like this. Okay, the same got updated, guys. In this object itself, it got updated. The object itself, it got updated, guys. So like this. In the same object, we are updating the string. So this what is possible with the string builder and string buffer created strings and their predefined methods. Okay, they work in a mutable way. They'll modify the things wherever they got created. Fine. So there's only one predefined method I covered in this session. We have so many other predefined methods related to string builder and string buffer. The important ones I'm going to cover. So even append is also an important one of the important predefined methods of the string builder and string buffer classes. So still we have six more, okay, important predefined methods that I'm going to cover in the next coming sessions. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.